Welcome back to the Venom Workshop. So today what I want to show you how to do is, if you have a bike, doesn't matter if it's the x20, it could be the x22, the x22R, doesn't matter. But you're sitting on your bike and anytime that you turn your handlebars either way like that, it revs up your bike. I'm going to show you what's going on. So your throttle cable is right here. This one has the upgraded carb on it, but it doesn't really matter if it's the upgraded carb or not. So this cable is getting pinched somewhere. Oh, I want to follow. Okay. So this cable is getting pinched somewhere. So every time that you pull on it, you're actually literally pulling on this cable down at the bottom, and it's pulling on your carb. So you'll notice that this one has is all the way opened up, and that is because we have the upgraded carb on this one, whereas on the other ones it would probably be all the way in. But what you want to do is, your carburetor is just right down there. That's the nibby carb on this. But if it was the other carburetor, it'd be the same. It would just be back behind that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna follow our cable down, and we're just gonna make sure that our cable is not pinched. Because sometimes these cables, they get zip tied really tight. So I'm gonna go back, actually, I want to come back up. I want you to see both angles, what's going on and what I'm doing. So what you're going to want to do is grab this cable here, start feeding it back and forth like this, and then reach underneath your fairings and feel it. You'll feel that cable. Now I can feel it because it goes into the top of our nibby carb here, and I know where it is, so I can pull it back and forth like that, no problem. And that's what you should be able to do too. So what's happened is it's pinched down there. So every time you turn, it gives a pull on this cable and pulls on the top of your throttle cable. And that's why it's making it do that. So all you have to do is follow your line down all the way, and you can reach right underneath the fairing here. It's not going to interfere. You don't have to take any of these fairings off, and then just find where the cable is by pulling it like that, and then look for the zip tie that's holding it or whatever's holding it. But that's how you unclinch that line. And make sure that it doesn't do that. Like this one is free and easy and free. It's not, see if it starts. I don't know, battery might be dead in this. No, it will start. Let's choke it. This one needs to be choked down here. So we'll choke it up. Let's go. It's been a long time since this old girl started. I don't even know if there's any fuel in this thing. I don't think there's any gas left in it. So, but that's what it is. You're gonna want to just make sure that this is free and easy, because like I said, every time you turn like that, it's giving a pull on this cable. So like I said, one of your zip ties is just really tight, and that's what's causing that. So all you have to do, like I said, follow that cable down to your top of your carb, wiggle it back and forth, and it should loosen up. It's going to be on a place where it's tightened to the frame, and that's what's going to happen. That's where you're going to find that zip tie. And that's it, guys. It's a nice, short, and easy video. Hope you like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.